Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be me doing something that I have not done in so long, and that is put on a full face of makeup. And honestly, y'all, I know I'm not the best at it, but makeup is like therapeutic for me. It makes me feel good. It's like just something to take the edge off. I have nowhere to go today, obviously, so we're just gonna be using the makeup that I brought with me from Columbus, Ohio to Alabama. I have some iced coffee right here, so we're just going to get on with the video. And I'm also going to be doing like a this or that question game to just answer as we go, and also chit chat in between. So yeah, I just want to talk and get ready. I just want to put on makeup. I want to slap on some foundation. We're going to start with some primer. This is the only primer I brought. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish, but it's one of my favorites. I'm at my house. Been working from home, which I'm so blessed. But it's just like when you're done with work every day, it's like, what do you do? You know, I miss the gym. I miss like boxing, I miss Target, I miss Ulta, I miss the mall, I miss just everything. I miss my cubicle. Okay, we're gonna be doing some this or that questions. Like I said, I have a little thing pulled up right now, and also I'm going in with the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is the one real foundation I brought. I also have a BB cream, but I'm feeling foundation today. Okay, I don't want to waste any, so I'm going straight to applying on my face. But the first one is City or Beach. I feel like you can't really compare those two. I feel like it should be beach or mountains or city or like country, because city and beach are like two of my favorite things. The next one is Sweet or Savory. Savory 100%. I have to be in the mood for something sweet. I feel like my coffee is the one sweet thing that I truly love, but I'm all savory all day. Like I would grab chips over a Pop-Tart or anything like that, or a Dawe cake if I was going for junk food. But I feel like fruits and vegetables, like fruits are sweeter and vegetables are more savory, and I would choose fruit. Cat or dog? I'm sorry, but I gotta choose dog. I have one of both, but I'm allergic to cats. They make my eyes swell up and I just get really itchy, and my eyes water and my throat gets itchy. And yeah, but I don't hate any animals. Okay, the next one is adventure or comfort. I'm all for adventure. I like routine, but I do like change. As weird as that sounds. Like I just moved off to a new city last year, started a new career, or a career. I'd never had one before. And I just made myself at home, and like I've said this before, like I would straight up go on a vacation by myself to like a city that I've never been to before. I would love to do that one day. Just go on a solo vacation. I love adventure. I've been skydiving. I'm really not scared of things like that. Books or movies? Y'all know the answer to this one. Movies all day. I don't really like to read. I really want to read. Like I want to read so bad, but I just can't. You want to hear a joke? I didn't bring any concealer, so we're just being flat. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline contour palette. I use this pretty much every day with my BB cream look too. See what my mom has in her drawer. I might do a full face of my mom's makeup one day too. We'll see. Next question is nights in or nights out. I like both, but I feel like I've gotten just so old that I don't do nights out as much. But in college, my friends and I, like no matter what we did, whether it was a Target night out or whatever, I love a good night out with my friends, not with just anybody. Summer or winter? Honestly, I've always been a winter girl. Like my birthday's in the winter. I love Christmas. I love all the holidays associated with winter. And I love to be cold more than I do to be hot. But after being in Ohio this last winter, I've never looked forward to summer more in my entire life, because I'm tired of being cold. So I don't know. Fall is really my favorite. Tea or coffee? Okay, so I like coffee. Obviously, I used to drink tea, but I haven't actually had like sweet tea in years, because I kind of cut a lot of that out. But I feel like I do love tea, but coffee. Early bird or night owl? I'm 100% an early bird. I go to bed at like 9 or 10 o'clock most nights. Last night I actually went to bed at like 1. It was a Friday night, and I was just up. I'm watching New Girl again, and it's so great. I forgot how funny it is. So definitely an early bird though. Like I love waking up at like 6 in the morning, or like even y'all see my morning routines back home, or like back where in Columbus, I like to wake up at 5 and like go to the gym and have breakfast and like spend time like doing a full face of makeup and watching TV and watching the news and just doing everything before everyone else is up. Even like in college, I would always go to the grocery store like right when it would open at like 7 in the morning, because I love being in a grocery store when there's no one there. It's just, I used to work in one, so that might be why I like that, but yeah, there's just nothing like it. The next question is pizza or pasta. I could live the rest of my life without eating pizza ever again. Probably pasta too. I know that sounds crazy. My thing is like sandwiches. That is my weakness. Any kind of sandwich is like my thing. Or I like just like an entree, like steak or like chicken with a side of like vegetables and fries. You know what I'm saying? And like, I guess I love French fries. I think that's what it's coming down to. And typically with pizza and pasta, you don't get that. And I don't really like red sauce all that much. Like I can't tell you the last time I had like pizza from like a pizza place. We did have pizza at my house the other day, but I don't love pizza. But I do love pasta. I do love it, but I don't eat it a lot. I eat every other bad food though. Europe or Asia? I've always wanted to go to both of these continents, but I feel like Europe is more up on my bucket list, but I still would love to go to Asia. The next one is spring or autumn. I call it fall. Autumn. And breakfast or dinner? Dinner. I don't really like breakfast foods. I have to be like in the mood. Like if I go to brunch with people, typically my order is like chicken and waffles. I rarely ever will get like pancakes unless I'm like really in the mood for it, but again, because I'm like savory. Okay guys, I just gently filled in my eyebrows. Something about them right now is they just don't look like my eyebrows. I've been saying that a lot this week. Like my face doesn't look like my face. I don't know what that means, but that's how I feel. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow and then answer some more like little this or that questions. The only palette I brought, I don't know why I chose this palette, but I do love this palette. My go-to is normally the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe original palette. And that is normally what I pack, but this time it was a very last minute flight and decision to come home. It was a Wednesday night and I decided to come home and I left that Thursday morning. So this is the Sipping Pretty by Kylie Cosmetics. Typically, you can see like I love these colors over here and they really do make a really pretty look. So that's what we're gonna be using. Dine in or takeout. I love eating in restaurants, and with all of this going on, I don't care if I go by myself. I'm going to every restaurant that I can get into and I'll just get a table for one. I'm just ready to have like chips and salsa and like bread and butter, you know, that kind of thing. I just miss that so much. Yeah, I love restaurant time. Ice cream or cake? Cake, because ice cream makes my stomach hurt really bad. Waffles or pancakes? Honestly, I love Eggo waffles. Like those are high quality in my mind. But if I go to like again brunch, okay, so if I go to brunch and they have chicken and waffles, I'm getting chicken and waffles. I love chicken and waffles. But if they don't, then I will just get me pancakes, like blueberry pancakes with bacon on the side. Ooh. Chocolate or vanilla? Chocolate. I used to not like chocolate, but now I love chocolate, especially Reese's peanut butter cups. Burger or tacos? Burger all day. I've said this before. I want burgers at my wedding. Like I want to have like some kind of place, I was saying Shake Shack or just something like that, to cater my wedding because I love burgers. Okay, I found a beauty this or that I'm gonna do. So the first one is simple or glam. Day-to-day simple, but I love glam makeup the most, 100%. Red lipstick or nude lipstick? Okay, so I kind of look stupid with nude lipstick. Like it just never looks good on me unless it's like pinky nude. So I guess that is technically my nude. So that's typically my go-to, I guess. But I do love red lipstick, but I feel like I guess day-to-day is more like a pinky nude look. Dewy or matte? I used to only do matte looks because I thought that's all I could do because I have oilier skin. Turns out that's not the case. So definitely dewy. Mascara or extensions? I've never had eyelash extensions. I've always wanted to. If you have eyelash extensions, how long do they typically last? Because I've always wanted to get them, but I don't want to have to get them refilled like every couple weeks. I would like them to stay in for 1 month at a time. That is what I want. but I love fake lashes, or like false lashes, fake tan or natural. I've only had a spray tan a couple times in my life, and I actually really liked it. It was really a fun time. Both times I had it done, I had like a free tan, so that's why I did it. But I prefer to just lay out, which is what I'm actually gonna do later today. Blush or bronzer? I love blush. I think blush is so pretty, but I feel like I need bronzer more because my face is always puffy lately. Eyeliner or lip liner? Since day one, I have been an eyeliner girl. I wear lip liner now. I used to not ever wear lip liner. Dyed hair or natural hair? I've never dyed my hair. I did get highlights one time in like 7th grade and it did not look good, or maybe it was 8th grade, like blonde highlights. I've always wanted to be a brunette, like a dark, deep brunette. That is like my dream, is to just wake up magically one day and have dark brown hair. But I feel like with my hair color, it would be too hard to get it back. Okay, waxing or threading? Okay, I've had my eyebrows done one time in my entire life. I know that's kind of weird, but I had them, what did I have them? I had them threaded. It did kind of hurt. On fleek or casual? Okay, I don't know if this means makeup or what, but I like street style clothing. That's like my thing, like this, like big t-shirts and like bike shorts, and I love leggings. I hate jeans more than anything, but I love denim jackets. I want to start liking jeans. I feel like if I start working out and get my body back right, I will love jeans again. I've never really liked jeans though, honestly, in my entire life. But I also love the feeling of wearing like a really pretty dress and, you know, taking pictures and just feeling really glam. That's also a feeling that I love to feel. Designer or drugstore? I would say yes, designer. Like if NARS is considered designer, I don't really know. I've always wanted designer purses though. I don't think you can buy purses really in a drugstore. I don't understand that question. I did do a little question thing on Instagram the other day asking your favorite drugstore products, because I need some more moisturizer from Ulta, and I figured if I'm gonna make an online order, why not try out some new stuff. The last one we're gonna do is this little would you rather, and it's like kind of like, I don't know how to describe this one. Would you rather read minds or see the future? Oh. Okay, so I feel like if I knew the future, I think I would just have anxiety all the time. But also if I read people's minds and found out what they really think about me, I would also have really bad anxiety, because I already have really bad anxiety. So I think I would rather read minds than know the future, because I know Jesus knows my future and that's the only person I want to know my future. If I knew what was happening, I would be a mess. I'd rather have super hearing or have x-ray vision. Does that mean see through people's clothes? I don't know, I guess the hearing one. Would I rather be able to fly or run at super speed? Okay, so if I could run at super speed, I would just like I would just go sign up for the Olympics, however you do that. And I would not run super fast, but I would run fast enough to win. And then I would just become a professional athlete, and that would be amazing. But if I could fly, I would choose the fly one just because that would be cooler. I just couldn't let anybody know though. Would I rather be able to teleport or be able to time travel? Ooh, okay. I feel like if I could time travel, I would also have to keep that a secret. I feel like I would rather be able to teleport, and I would just go country to country all the time, and I would just travel on my weekends. Either be able to speak many languages or be able to speak to animals. Holy cow. Okay, that's really hard. I'd rather be able to speak many languages, because can you imagine the job opportunities you would have with that? I'd be like Olivia Pope. Okay guys, so that is all that we're going to be doing in today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was kind of just fun and random. It feels so good to have on foundation. Like this is definitely not a favorite look of mine, and my brows just don't look good, but I'm wearing makeup, so I'm happy, and I just feel like me. I feel like I can do anything. I might film another video today, who knows. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next on this channel, and thank you. Bye. Have a good day.